Hola amigos, in today's video I'm going to show you how I turn this desert dumpfire of a yard into this beautiful, peaceful space. We are back, and the goal of this video is to make my front garden a little bit more acceptable. So right now it's just a big dirty mess, very desert. I'd say that's a desert landscape. It wasn't done on purpose. This used to actually be grass, and then when we were buying the house, the process just took so long that the grass just died, and I haven't done anything with it since. I have planted this big Washingtonia, this big palm here, and I did plant some of these smaller palms just over the backside there. Anyway, dudes, that's enough chit chat. Let's get rocking and rolling. We got ourselves a garden to build here. These ones here, they'll grow a meter and a half tall. Fast forward a few weeks and we are here. The next phase is just to enclose this space, because what we're going to do is we're going to be adding some artificial turf. I've got some blocks. I've actually just started on the other side behind me here. And now on this next part, what I need to do, I'm going to sink all these down, and then what I'll do is I'm going to put a nice skim coat on it afterwards, so it all just looks like one piece. And then we'll probably paint it up, and then got some electrical coming in, so we're going to get some lights on the trees, put some extra plugs in there. Special times of the year we can put some twinkle lights up and everything's going to look good. This is my neighbor Sunny. He has his own construction company here in Dubai. He has been the best neighbor ever. I'm trying to be the best neighbor, but he is actually the best neighbor because he's lent me so much equipment, got me so many good deals on stuff. So thank you very much, Sunny. If you guys ever need anything, Sunny, what's the name of your company?
Sharon Technical Service.
We'll put a link in the description. And if you need anything, I highly recommend Sunny. Yeah! Whoa! That's gonna be good. know, after getting this front yard taken care of so nicely, it's really accentuating how ugly this front entranceway is. So maybe that's a project that'll be in the pipeline. To finish this front yard project though, the one thing that we do need to take care of are these ugly, hideous lights. They're really dated. They've been beaten up by the sun. So I've got something a little bit more modern. Just gonna pop those off, put the new ones on, and then we will be done. All right, the first one works. I'm definitely gonna just have to do some caulking around here so it saves the water from getting in there, but looks much better, a little bit more modern. I gotta do this one now. To save you guys the heartache, I think I can just give it one of these.